name is Aurora. I'm the nursery manager here at Child's Play Nursery, which is part of King's Education Group. For more educational video, please subscribe and comment below. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to help your child eat vegetables. And I know how stressful it can be for parents, and I'm one of those parents. My daughter refuses to eat vegetables, and I came up with techniques that actually work, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. My number one tip is to talk about the benefits of eating vegetables from your child's perspective. Saying to your child that vegetables are healthy is not a concept that children understand, and I would suggest that you say to your child instead, vegetables make you strong, vegetable makes you strong like Superman, something that they like, and I can assure you this will entice your child to eat vegetables. Second tip, never stop offering vegetables to your child. Research has shown that in order for a child to accept new food, you would have to offer it between 8 to 10 times in order for him to accept it. When I say accept it, is not necessarily eating it, but at least try it. So don't worry, keep trying, never stop, and I can assure you that at some point your child will eat his veggies. Okay, another tip that really worked with my daughter is to hide vegetables. So I hide vegetables in smoothies, in juices mainly, because she loves anything that is sweet. So I would recommend, if your child is similar, hide veggies in smoothies, juices, add banana to make it sweet, and this really works. Last tip, don't force your child to eat vegetables. We don't want children to associate meal times with bad emotions, bad experience, because at some point your child will eat vegetables. And you know what, if the techniques I've shared with you don't work, just keep offering vegetables at lunchtime, be a role model, eat vegetables, cook with your child, and I can assure you that your child will eat vegetables at some point. I hope this was helpful, you enjoyed that video, and happy parenting.